I'm back in my home county, but not my hometown. We're in Swanage today for the rest of the day, but we're not going to film all of that. We're talking about the Swanage Steam Railway. Okay, here's some facts. The Swanage Steam Heritage Railway, or the SSHR, was a railway branch line from Wareham Station. It was opened in 1885 and then closed in 1972, and then it reopened again. 1 year after the line's opening, it was taken over by South West Trains. Yes, not the South Western Railway. The line has 5 stations. The length of it is 9.5 miles or 15.3 kilometres. It opened on the 20th of May 1885 and it closed on the 1st of January 1972. It was built by the Swanage Railway Company, and this is Nordon station. It's the end of the line, and up that way is Corfe Castle. The castle, in general, is said to be haunted, so the station might also be haunted. It's also the most famous station on the line.
We pan around and see the steam train going.
The line closed due to falling passenger numbers. Now it's reopened. The busiest time is 2 p.m. If you're travelling from Swanage to Nordon, you will be travelling roughly northwest, and Nordon to Swanage, you'll be travelling south-east.